shot way up. Well, I'll start off high, and I'll go low afterwards. Where's my phone? Right here? No, my other phone. Oh, right here. Okay. So first of all, welcome back, guys.
What's going on, guys?
Subs and Paws.
We'd be like Subs and Paws and Caleb.
With Caleb featuring Caleb. And
Look at
we're
this.
bringing you today the Audio Legion Max12
A very rare subwoofer.
D4 Maximus series. And actually, yes, it is rare now because when you go to look up the sub, you what happened here? Oh, there it is. It says it's in stock, $124.95, and then it says $404 not found. So they're out of stock now, guys. The subwoofer is no longer available. So this is actually a rare piece of car audio history now.
Yeah.
A lot of the Audio Legion stuff is selling out now. Not a lot of it's left. I just bought some 6-inch or 6.5-inch mid-range speakers, and he just got some 6x9 mid-range speakers. I got mine for 20 and his were 25. So we'll have a demo of those shortly. We did have the ARM 10. We had the ARM 12.
And
we had the
S25.
Javelin 12.
Oh, yes.
We had the S25 demo. That was the 12-inch?
Yes.
S25 12-inch demo. So we've done a lot of Audio Legion stuff.
It's been very recent, too.
Yeah, a lot of recent stuff. And this right here, I'm really excited to get this into a box.
I've been telling him to get this for a long time.
Yeah.
And he probably got it at the perfect time.
Yeah, because
they've been sold out of the dual 2s for a long time. But they've
right after I got this, I just got it to my house a couple days ago.
Yeah.
I've had it sitting here for a couple days.
2 days after, it's already today.
And it's gone. Yeah. So I'm gonna adjust the camera, guys, and we're gonna.
To be honest, it was probably gone before that because they don't update their website right away. So it probably has already been gone. Maybe the day after. You got it.
That's possible. Yeah, because I did buy. What else?
Oh yeah,
I bought the D2.
Dual 2 and that was gone.
I bought the D2 and it was already gone.
Yep.
Right there.
All right.
All right. Get in.
You can do that side.
Oh yeah. I've been excited for this. Just like the S25 is a carbon fiber dust cap, but what's always gotten me is that the dust cap's huge. It's like a huge dust cap.
Yeah, it actually kind of sort of looks like the closest thing I can get it to is the EVL.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people say. It's
from
Scar.
From Scar with that big dust cap they have there.
Yep. Even just the sub specs, a lot of people say it's close to the. Actually, I've even heard people say it's better. It's between the Evil and the VXF.
Honestly, I liked everything that we've demoed.
Yeah.
From Audio Legion has been a step above what Scar offered.
Similar
for the same price range, the same
everything.
The same everything. It was just a step above what they had.
Oh, look at that.
Another one. We need a razor back.
So it does come in its own
double boxed.
You get it.
Do you have a hole in your sock?
Oh yeah.
Just like the ARM, that does also have a custom box. Audio Legion had a lot of custom tape.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It's all their custom tape.
Oh, everything they have done has been like the next step above and beyond. I don't understand how they. Oh, look at that! Another sticker. We're gonna have Audio Legion all over my car. All over my car. It's gonna be Audio Legion everywhere. Front window, back window, side window. Kids are gonna look out the window. Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
so
wow.
we have a huge, thick piece of cardboard here.
Yeah.
With the.
I wasn't joking about the large. It actually looks. It looks nasty. Just by this. You guys haven't even seen it yet. Heavy?
A little bit.
Do you want me to bring the camera over?
No. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look, packets.
Okay. All right.
Oh, they
So
look really good packaging.
it is a little heavy
Yeah.
coming out of the box.
Look at that.
There we go. And very reminiscent when I opened up my EVO with the big dust cap.
That's actually a really.
Oh, look at that.
Packets. Don't
Are
forget
there
your packets.
any other ones?
I had 2, so I don't know.
Okay. I think that's it for this guy here.
Wow.
So very reminiscent of the EVL. The big dust cap.
The really,
Carbon
really,
fiber
really,
dust cap.
I haven't even seen a dust cap that big.
Carbon fiber dust cap. The dust cap actually goes almost right
To the
to
edge
the
of
surround.
Yeah.
There's like probably
You can't see any of the paper cone.
1/8 of an inch of that paper cone you can see. Double stitch surround here.
Yep. The surround's
Nice
very
foam surround. I love foam surround subs.
Yeah.
I love the way they sound.
Look at this.
I
Nice.
I would rather have a foam surround than a rubber surround any day.
Yeah.
So
I think
the
that's
Audio
aluminum.
Legion boot magnet, or
Oh, steel.
no,
No, aluminum. Which one does
Aluminum.
it stick to?
steel.
Oh, it's steel. It
Yeah.
sticks to aluminum, so it's aluminum.
Aluminum
Or it
basket.
sticks to steel. Can't even think of it. It'll stick to the
Um,
magnet though.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Get this guy
Oh, look at
over
that.
here.
All right, text is upside
Nice
down.
bottom plate.
It does
Nice
actually.
top plate.
The vents are. That's a big.
Not
Voice
too bad.
It's good.
Not
It's a
too
big
bad.
full
It's
vent.
got nice big voice coil vents here.
It's a 1200 RMS.
Nice little
2400
pole vault
max.
vent.
That's-
Yeah,
that's
it
a-
actually has a little sticker here with the information for your what the sub is right on the bottom there. 1200 watts, 2400 watts. Your boot, magnet boot here.
double. It's a pretty big magnet too.
Down here we have it has more voice coil vents, and then your
8-gauge terminals.
Nomic Spider. That looks like 8-gauge terminals.
Those are really tight too.
Wow, they are. That's really tight.
Look at the tinsels are pretty.
Tight. They're single leads,
Yeah.
but they're large
They
single
are.
leads.
They are very like.
I'm gonna
thick.
bring my phone down so you guys can see that, and we'll.
You want me to do the light?
Yeah. Oh, you got that one. Yeah, I'll bring the phone down so you guys can see the leads there. So you can see they're a little bit bigger than what they normally are. Very nice. And honestly, from the
They actually do look really.
the
thick.
sound we got from the other subs that Audio Legion had put out, you can see the pulp paper cone there. Now you can see the whole cone. On top, you can't see any cone. So yeah, I was saying the sound that the other Audio Legions put out were phenomenal. I
Oh
mean,
yeah, like good.
that
sound.
ARM 10 right here that we did the demo on, and the box that they had, just everything they do is like a step, the next step. And it's just, they sound so phenomenal. I can't believe they're actually, everything is gone and they're going to be out of business. They're out of business. Because this company, they're really,
just phenomenal.
everything
That's
that they've had
It's sad that it's gone.
is, yeah,
pretty much.
everything that they've had is
They don't have too much left.
fantastic.
They got like wires.
Look at
left.
that
That's pretty-
beefy surround.
The big, yeah. No, that's
Huge
a really nice
dust
surround.
cap. This is going to be a nice SPL sub.
Oh yeah.
I think she's going to move a lot of
Yeah,
air.
I was gonna say.
She's going to sound
We'll
nice
move
in
it.
my car.
Alright.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we'll be back. We're going to put her inside of a box.
Oh,
We're
should
gonna
we do the
give
9
her some
volt?
power. Yeah, you can try that
Yeah,
if
we
you
can
want.
try a 9 volt. Make sure it's good.
Yep.
That's good.
Poop poop. So if you guys want to test out your sub, try a 9-volt battery, and you should just get a little pop, and that means that your sub is good. If you get a ksh, ksh, that means your sub is bad.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we'll be back. Don't go anywhere. Alrighty, guys. Welcome back, Subs and Paws. Your host John here today. Caleb just took off on me. Alright, so first I just wanted to show you this right here is the Audio Legion. We've already established that. This is the... Oh, I gotta shut the power off. Yeah, now it'll read. Okay. So, it's coming up at... Come on. 1.7 ohms. Just so we got a good reading there. Alright, so let me get this off. Get the power supply back on. Alright, just wanted to let you guys see what the sub was wired to. They only had D4s left, so that's what I ended up getting. And now, I did a demo yesterday in a short, and for me, it's like the sub was moving and it sounded okay and it looked like it was taking power, but it sounded like crap in the box. So I actually took about a pound of polyfill and I put it on the bottom of the, just to kind of coat the box, and it really cleaned up the sound that it was. It still has a little bit of port noise, it still has a little bit of noise to it, but it's not bad. Now I'm not going to push this super hard. I'm just going to push it enough to get a first test out of it, because this is actually the second time I've even played this subwoofer, period. Okay? So let's get it on here. We'll get some power going. See what we got here. See what we're running at right now. Alright, I've seen 140, 202. Looks like it's running around 4 to 5 ohms. Conservatively, about 5 ohms there. I'm gonna try another test too. I'm gonna see if I can change the ohms down on it. All right, let's give it a little bit more power. I'm not gonna give it a whole ton because this sub's not. It's brand new, so I'm not trying to blow a sub right out of the box. And it sounds really good. We got 500 watts there, 600 watts. And now this is, rated at here. It's coming. It's coming. Let's see if it says anything on the box. Alright, so 1200 watts RMS, 2400 watts peak. So I think this is and it was really stiff, honestly, when I first touched it. So I think this is going to be one of those subs that I have to take in my car and play for a week or 2 weeks, and then come back and retest it. Alright, so let's see about another test here. Let's try this one out here. This I got in my car on the X10 yesterday. I got a 138 and some change. I was really surprised for a 10-inch. I've never heard a 10-inch sound the way that thing sounds. It just makes me want to get the X12 or the X15 and call it a day, and that's what I'm going to have in my car. Because it sounded so good. Alright, let's see what we got here. Should be coming anytime. And it looks so dope running too. I can hear different things in my house rattling at different times depending on the bass. It's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna do the. Here we go. All right, let's check it out here. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna put this on Dyno mode just so I can see what I get for power here. .58. Now watch it jump like tremendously. Oh yeah. Watts. Yeah, so I think I'm definitely gonna have to break this sub in a little bit in my car. Run it for about a week or 2 weeks. Because I think the suspension on this is really tight. We're gonna loosen it up a little bit and then we'll bring her back and do another retest on it. Alright. So we'll call it a day for that. Oh, the dyno shut off anyways. I think it was 1113 watts at like 5 ohms. So I'm gonna get this video out for you guys. I'm gonna try to get this in my car. Maybe I'll get a couple shorts in my car. Maybe I'll do a video in my car. And we'll be back, guys. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, alright? Peace. Don't forget it, guys. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe now.